Well, hey guys, what's up? It's Claire here. If this is your first time to my channel, it's so nice to have you here. I'm really excited about today's video because I've been working on this video all month long, and it is going to be my current favorites video, or slash February favorite. Why do people do that? Like that motorcycle zoom? Like why? Why right by my house? That happens all day long. So anyway, I'm really excited about today's video because I've been making a list of all of my favorite things that I've just been using all month, and it's a wide variety, kind of like my January favorites or my current favorites that I posted last month. So yeah, I was really excited about this video because we have a lot of like skincare, makeup, snacks, self-care, and then just like random things. And so I'm just going to tell you what I've been using lately, what I've been loving lately, and hopefully you will love them as well. So without further ado, we're gonna go hop on right into the video. So the first thing that I want to share with you that I have been loving lately, if you watched my haul on Sunday, is that another one? Sorry, no, they weren't as close. So if you watched my video that I posted this past Sunday, it was a Bath & Body Works and Ulta Beauty haul, and I'm gonna show you one of the candles. If you haven't checked that video out, go check it out. But this candle, it's the Aromatherapy Love Rose and Vanilla candle from their new Rose collection. Actually, I don't know if it's like a new candle, but it was in the section of the store that said like new rose stuff. So yeah, this is the candle, and I got 4 candles if you want to go check that video out and see which other ones I got. But this one has been my favorite thus far, just because it feels like a spa, but like almost like you're getting ready for a date is what it reminds me of. It's just like, so it really is like a love smelling candle, and I'm obsessed. And that brings me to like the second thing, and this one I love even more. It's the Rose Fine Fragrance Mist. This was on sale for $5.50 the other day, and I'm so happy that I snagged it because it smells like more of like an swallowed it. It smells more of like an expensive perfume, even though it's a body mist kind of, so it doesn't last as long and is not as strong as a perfume. It still does the job. It makes you smell really good, and I actually had some people say like, oh Claire, you smell really good, and I was like, well thank you. That would be my Rose body mist. So yeah, I definitely recommend both of these two things. They will just make you feel kind of fancy, but they were both on sale. So together, this was like $20. Next up, we're gonna move into kind of food and drink, even though it's not really that exciting. So I've been trying to do like high protein lately and like kind of count my macros, and I'm actually vlogging a week in my college life that's probably gonna go up this coming Sunday, and so you'll kind of see what I've been eating lately. Even though I haven't been eating the most healthy, I really have been trying to up my protein because I did like a macro calculator, and also I did some research, and a lot of people recommended these, and I tried them and they're really good. These are the Think Thin high protein bars, and I got the creamy peanut butter ones. They also have like a brownie one that I want to try next, and like chocolate, like all different kinds, I believe. And they have 20 grams of protein, which I thought was like a really good thing. No sugar, which is like crazy, and gluten-free, low GI. I don't know what that means. And so yeah, they do have 23 grams of carbs, but you do need carbs to keep you full. And I've been I feel bad about it, but I've been eating these for lunch on days like when I have class from 11 to 3:15. I will eat something for breakfast, then eat one of these during my break, and then eat again when I get home from class. And so these just do a really good job. If you're really hungry, they keep you full, and I love that. They don't taste as good as my Zone Perfect bars, but the Zone Perfect bars also have like a lot of sugar in them, I've noticed, and so that's why I kind of have been loving these more. And then for the drink, I've been using this since I was in like 8th grade when I first cut out all sugary drinks, and then I cut this out as well, but I rekindled my relationship with this stuff a couple of months ago, and then I kind of stopped, and then I've been loving it again lately because I've been waking up almost every single morning at 6 a.m. to go to the gym for different workout classes. And so you might already know what I'm talking about. It is Spark by Advocare, and it just gives you energy, and it sharpens your mental focus, long-lasting energy, and it's sugar-free, and it has vitamin and amino acid supplement, and I think it's pretty much like all natural type stuff. It's not like supposed to be bad for you at all, and I love the fruit punch flavor. The pink lemonade's also really good, and I'm trying to think of other ones. There's a lot of different flavors, but this one has always been my favorite. I'm addicted. I love it, and it just really does sharpen your mental focus. Like sometimes I'll drink it before class and I'm like boing, but I don't know, sometimes it's not really that good. If you can't get rid of your energy, you might want to find a way to get rid of your energy. Like drink it before a workout is what I'm trying to say. And so yeah, I've kind of like cut back on coffee but cut up on this. Next we're gonna get into a little bit of makeup. I don't have that much makeup that I'm gonna show you guys, but I do have some things that I've just been loving lately, and some of them are kind of, well, one of them's kind of old that I've had for like over a year, but then the others I've recently new. This one I kind of talked about last month in the Casey Holmes palette collection, but this is the Physicians Formula MuruMuru Butter collection. This, I don't know what that means. It's the Pop the Bubbly, it's like a lippy, it's like a cream lippy. Ignore my nails, they are really bad. But this is the Pop the Bubbly collection, Pop the Bubbly color. I cannot talk about this stuff. And it's just super pretty and like really creamy and pigmented. I'm not wearing it now, but it almost does look like the color that I have on my lips. I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Sorry, I felt like we were really far away that whole time. But yeah, it's really creamy, and this is like a daily thing that I wear. Like, I wear it to class even if I'm just wearing like a BB cream, because it's really, oh no. But the next thing I want to talk about really quickly is the Coco gloss by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Dang Gina. And it's just really glittery, but not like too glittery, and it doesn't leave you sticky. I'm wearing it right now on top of my lipstick. The lipstick I'm wearing is actually from NYX, but this is just, it's so soft, and it makes your lips look so like plump and moist. I hate that word, but yeah. And the last lip product, I think these are like my makeup products today, are all lippies, is the Kylie Cosmetics Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Kylie. It is almost like my Coco K, which Coco K is always going to be my favorite of all time. It's like a cool toned light pinky nude. This one's a little bit warmer and a little bit more nude. It's more nude than it looks in the bottle, or in the tube, I guess you could call it. And then also the lip liner is a little bit, the lip liner and the lipstick are different colors. This one's more nude, and this one's a little bit more pink, but still nude, still more nude than the Coco K. So yeah, I really, if you want like a good long-lasting lip that really adds definition to your lips by the contrast of the lip liner and the lipstick, recommend this, because it's like very nude but slightly pink. And next up we're gonna get into kind of like skincare, hair care, and body care. This is something that I've been using lately. It is the Rodan and Fields Lash Boost. I know that Lash Boost, like what do you call it, lash enhancers are really popular. Will it focus? This is the day. Oh yay, okay, so that's why beauty bloggers do this all the time. Well, this is the Rodan and Fields Lash Boost, and I've noticed such a difference even in the past week. So I've been using this, I started using it about a year ago. My mom ordered it, but she didn't want it, so she gave it to me. I think it might be expensive, I really honestly do not know. And so I took it, and I kind of quit using it because I just forgot about it, but I've been using it for a week, and I already can tell a difference in my natural lashes. I am wearing a little bit of mascara, not a whole lot, but you just do like one little swipe on all 4 of your little lash lines, or like through the lashes, and it just works. And then the second product I got, and you saw it if you watched my Ulta haul the other day, the top is looking a little crooked, but this is the Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I know y'all have seen this brand before many times. I got this in Ulta. They also have it in Target, I'm pretty sure. It was not that expensive. I think this bottle was $12 or $14. They had a smaller bottle that I would have bought that was $7, but they were out, and I don't know, something just told me to get it, and it smells really good, and it kind of leaves your skin feeling really soft. I've even been putting this on at nighttime, so you can put it under your hair, face, and skin throughout the day, and it just kind of, I've been into rose lately if you can't tell. It's just kind of like soothing and it brings out the spring in me. And then the next product that we're going to talk about is really old and looks kind of dirty because I lost the cap a long time ago, but it is the Kenra Platinum Boosting Spray Foam for volume and flexibility. So this I use, what I do after I take a shower, if I wash my hair in the morning, I will do my hair in layers, like 3 different layers, as if I were going to curl it. And then I'll spray this on lightly on one layer, and then I'll take my round brush and blow it out, and it makes my hair look so voluminous and full and thick, and it just makes it soft, and it smells so good. Like, I've gotten compliments on how good my hair smells, probably because of that, and then also that coconut spray from Physicians Formula that I spray in it. But yeah, this one I think it's a bit more pricey. I know you can get it at Ulta, but I love it. I've had it since high school, and it's just great. Next, I lost the cap off. That just went in my mouth. That was water from the shower. That was so good. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I switched up shampoos, and this is the Aussie Aussome Volume Shampoo, and it gives you 24-hour lightweight body. And I used to use this back in high school, but then I switched to a different shampoo, but then I've been using this one again, and my hair looks a little bit crazy right now, but it just makes your hair feel so soft for the next day. And my hair gets really oily really quickly, but this has kind of kept that under control. And I wash my hair most of the time at nighttime, and so just 10 out of 10 recommend. Next up, it's super exciting because I showed y'all this in a Pink haul, but Pink redid their body wash, or this is like a different, it's named something different, but it's supposed to be like the coconut oil body wash. Well, the coconut oil body wash was just like coconut oil and water is what it felt like. This one is super creamy, and if you can tell, I've had this for like 2 weeks and I've already used a huge chunk of it. So this one is a much more, it's like a moisturizing cream body wash is what it says. It smells just like the coconut oil original one, but it actually like lathers onto your skin, especially if you get like a sponge and like wet it, and then just it gets bubbles all over your skin, and it feels so soft, and it literally makes your skin feel softer. So I really do recommend this. Even if I wasn't a Pink rep, I would still get this stuff. Okay, so next up, really quickly, this is more of a random thing. It's a pair of earrings, and I was thinking about it the other day. If I could do anything with my life, it would probably be like, besides like makeup, jewelry is my favorite thing in the world. I would want to start my own jewelry line more than I would want to start my own makeup line, I think, honestly, maybe one day. So I'm going to show y'all these two earrings. I have a lot of followers that live in Auburn, so I thought I would just show these. These are just some tiny star hoops. Show up. Okay, that works. These are some hoops that I got from Ellie Boutique. Also, ignore the fact that my nails are really rough right now, but I got these from Ellie Boutique, which is in downtown Auburn, and I just wanted to show these mainly for the people that live here, and just to everyone else. Like, star hoops are in. They've been in for a while, so they may be going out soon, but I love stars, and I'm gonna keep them popular. Okay, I have a couple more things, but I want to talk about Google Calendar. Google Calendar, now don't get me wrong, I love my planner more than anything in the world. I go to that every single day, but when I'm on the go, when I'm in class, when I'm doing stuff, I've been using Google Calendar like crazy, because you can color code things, you can add and delete stuff without having to write it in and pencil it out and erase it, and it's just been phenomenal. You can get it, like if you have a Gmail, you can get the app on your phone. I use it on my laptop probably more than I do on my phone, just because I love to see the whole week and like all the different colors. I color code everything. I'm not going to show y'all because it's like, I don't feel like it. And so yeah, and you can set reminders, and so it's a lot better than like the Apple Calendar, but not as good as a planner. I'm always gonna want to like write my stuff down, but I do love it. And so the last thing I want to show y'all now that I've talked about the Google Calendar, I've been loving to draw lately. I'm trying to teach myself how to draw like people, and I want to learn how to do like the cute little, like this back here. Well, you can't even see it, but y'all seen it if you've seen my other videos, like the little girl like shopping, just doing her thing, which, you know, that's really, I mean, it's kind of hard to draw, but at the same time, like, it's doable. And so that's what I've really been loving drawing lately. I'm not going to show y'all my drawings because I'm still learning, but I got these two notebooks at Michael's. I got two of them because they were buy one get one free. This is by the brand Mixed Media. Canson, it's by Canson, but I got like a tiny one and a big one, and I've been just drawing my little heart away. And then I also got some watercolor pens. They're kind of markery, but yeah, I've been like just sketching out with a pencil and then going back over with colors, and it's really time consuming, but it's really fun. And I had a really good deal at Michael's because I had like a coupon for like 40% off an item, and I did like all separate transactions, so I got 40% off my purchase, which was pretty nice. But yeah, so when I get better at drawing, I will show y'all some of my little doodles. I call them doodles because they're not worth being called drawings yet, but it's a lot of fun, and it's a really good outlet, like to not be on your phone on like social media scrolling through and not wasting your time. Like, you know, sometimes I'll just put on New Girl on Netflix and just draw while I'm watching it, and it's just a fun time. But that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed all of those random little things. I know that it was like a wide category of my current favorites, but those are all of my current favorite things that I've been using lately. And I think I may make this like a monthly video because every month I realize like I discover new stuff that I love and adore, and I already have some stuff that I was going to include in this video, but I didn't want it to be like forever long. So I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I want you to join a little YouTube family. We're growing so fast, and yeah, it's almost 1 year on YouTube, which is really weird. Oh, I got like 2 weeks until it's been 1 year. That's crazy. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. And let me know if you have any video suggestions down below. And have a great day. Bye. Mwah.